Hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to say I hope that you guys are all doing well and still safe. If you have any concern or need any help with anything, make sure that you continue to reach out. Just wanted to let you guys know, all the teachers have said it. They're probably going to continue to say it. But we really miss you, and we're thinking about you every day. And just really wish that we could be back at school with you guys, being able to just engage in conversations with you, and we just really miss that dynamic of school. But like I said, if you need anything, just let us know, and we're happy to be here for you, whether it's academic or non-academic. Feel free to join in any Google Meet and just say hi. We would really appreciate that. Just to hear your voice, to see you guys again. So today's video is going to be a bit different than what we have done so far with our online learning. And what we're going to be doing in today's video is going over the new procedures and what we're calling phase 2 of online math learning. Okay. So before I begin and kind of diving into that, I do want to explain for you that the only requirement for today, Thursday, assignment, is that you just watch this video and complete any questions with it, as well as you continue to work on any assignments that you have missing or any assignments from that were assigned to you on Tuesday. Okay. So that's kind of the purpose of today. We get an extra day just to kind of to review and go over any of the questions or concerns that you might have had from Tuesday's assignment. Okay. So part of the reason that we're moving into this phase 2 of online math learning is that we just felt like we needed a little bit more time to go over the concepts. We didn't want to, go too fast and make sure that we're really hitting on the concepts well, and giving you guys the time and the flexibility to truly understand and to grasp those concepts. Okay, so with this new phase, we are having to implement some new expectations with the online learning, and that's going to start. It's really starting today, but it'll actually kind of kick in fully next week. Okay, so I have a document here that we are going to go over together. I'm also posting this on your Google Classroom, so you can go over this with your family members, with your parents, and that you just have a record of it, and that you can kind of keep track of it, so you're like, oh, what do I have to do this day and going forward? Okay. So phase 2 of the online learning on Tuesdays, which has been your normal math and science day. It'll stay math and science as well as music. Okay, so we have math, science, and music on Tuesday now. With math, you will be getting a lesson video, just like you have from Edpuzzle. You'll watch that, complete the questions that go along with that, and then you'll have a follow-up Envision assignment, just like you have been doing normally. Now notice that there's no Math Olympic for Tuesday. Okay, so for Tuesday we're cutting out the Math Olympic that was there. All right, and then we have, I'll still offer my Google Meet in the morning from 9:30 to 11 that you can attend, and you can either just pop in and say hi, which I encourage you to do, or if you have questions about the lesson video or this Envision assignment or the prior week's assignments, then just let me know. Okay. So that's just on Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday, just the video lesson and an Envision assignment. I'm going to scroll down here to Thursday. So on Thursday, it'll be another math day, math and science day only. On this day, you'll be getting your Math Olympics event. Okay, so notice how we're actually not we are reducing, but we're more spreading out the assignments throughout the week. So you'll get your next Math Olympics event. Now today, you're not getting one because you had one assigned to you on Tuesday. So next Thursday will be your next Math Olympics assignment. That'll be event number 6. You'll also probably see a video from me just like today, just checking in, saying hi. And I may give you some challenges with that and review some math content as well. Just kind of lighthearted, make it fun. Just open conversation. Okay. We'll also be offering on Thursdays Google Meets all day long. Okay. Kind of staggered throughout the day, where there will be a math teacher available to all students in SI from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock at night. Okay, at different times. So all 4 teachers in the math department at SI will be available to help you. Okay, and I'll go over those times as well. You can ask questions about the Envision assignment, the lesson videos, the Math Olympics. If you just want to check in, we'll offer you any type of social, emotional support. We'll just be here for you. Like I said, we'll give you some challenges. Maybe give you a challenge for that day or a challenge for that week, and just like I said, review content, just kind of have fun. That's what that's going to be about. So the Thursday Google Meets, this link will be posted in your Google Classroom, okay, on Thursdays, and as you can see, they will be offered during specific hours. So we're going to have staggered times. So from 9 a.m. in the morning to 11 a.m. in the morning, Mr. Bettinger will be available to you to help you. Okay. I'll also post another link like I have been doing in the mornings. If you want to come see me, I'll just have a Google Classroom Meet, a Google Meet available for you as well. But you can go check in with Mr. Bettinger if I'm unavailable. Okay. Mr. Crozen, who's on Team D, he will be on that same Google Meet link from 12, which is noon, to 2:30 in the afternoon. I myself, okay, will be available from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, at night. So I'll be available. I'll host a 2-hour Google Meet at night for anybody, like I said, just wants to check in or just ask questions. And then Miss Gillum, as well as Mrs. Nicholas, who's actually out on maternity leave right now because she just had her newborn baby last week. So you can check in with her when she comes back next week. Just check in with her, say hi. Maybe you can ask to see her newborn baby. And she'll be doing that, and they'll be doing that from 2:30 to 5:30. So that's a 3-hour window available for you to ask those questions. Okay, so that covers what the new procedures that we're going to do for Tuesdays and Thursdays. So once again, to clarify, Tuesdays you're getting your normal lesson video and Envision assignment, as well as Google Meet times. That's your normal ones with me. And then Thursday, you'll get your Math Olympics, which is another video from me, kind of just some fun, some challenge, and then a Google Meet sessions as well. And this is a special one where it's going to be staggered. All right. So going down, I'm going to talk about Monday, Wednesday, and Friday procedures. So the non-math days, the other days. Just make sure you continue to check in to Google Classroom for any updates and office hours, and you can email us to ask questions or set up an individual Google Meet on those days. I want to note on Monday, that's when we'll be posting the results of the Math Olympics event from Thursday. Okay, all assignments whether they're assigned on Tuesdays or Thursdays, will still be due Sunday night. Okay, so you don't get a week to do the assignment. They're due that Sunday night. Okay, if they're not due then they'll be marked late. All right. Moving on to the Math Olympics competition, we're going to change it up a bit than what we've been doing. You're still competing in those same divisions that you have been, but now we're going to have each event is going to have 2 class winners. So out of all classes that are competing, the standings will pick 2 winners. The winners will be based off of participation. Okay. Where the class with the highest percent of turned in events into GradeCam, okay, before the deadline, that class with the highest participation percentage will be a winner, as well as, and I have it down here, accuracy. So another class that has the highest percentage, that's a typo there, so the highest percentage overall of answers correct, so just normal, like with the highest score, would also be a winner. So we'll have participation, accuracy, and precision. Okay. The winning classes, so the 2 classes that win with participation and accuracy, will get an opportunity to vote to have something done to the teacher of their choice. So it could be myself, it could be Mr. Bettinger, it could be Mr. Crozen, and or Mrs. Mikolas. Okay. The options that we have for you, these aren't the only options, but these are just some options that we have right now, and we'll come up with more of an extensive list when this happens. But we have pie in the face, the ice water bucket challenge, eat some type of gross food combination, or learn a TikTok dance, or something else to that effect. Okay, so the more people that participate, even if you may not, your class doesn't have the highest percentage, accuracy percentage, then you could win that way. Or if you do have the highest accuracy percentage, then you could have that. There may be a class that wins both of those, so then they would get to choose 2 things done to a teacher or teachers. So you could win both of that. Last thing here, just remember to check Google Classroom and your email daily. Okay, we're going to be posting things, and you'll get the notifications on Google Classroom in your email. If you do have questions, make sure you please ask. We're more than happy to help you. We want to help you. We want to communicate to you. So just please let us know any way that we can help. We know that this initial transition into online learning wasn't easy, and we know that this is going to be another adjustment that we're all going to have to make and get used to until the next one. But we're all here. All of us math teachers are here to help you, provide any assistance that we can. Okay, we want you also to take care and stay healthy. Okay. Last thing I want to give you guys is that 6th grade trivia about myself. So I kind of dug a little bit deep with this one. I've always been fascinated with theme parks and amusement parks growing up, in particular in 6th grade. And there was actually a computer game that I used to play called Roller Coaster Tycoon and Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. And I actually dug into some of my old stuff and I found it, believe it or not. So this is the old computer game. You just got the opportunity to build your own amusement park and kind of control the operations. So if you haven't seen that before, I recommend checking it out. Anyway, so I was a huge fan of amusement parks. I've been blessed with the opportunity to go to quite a few of them: Cedar Point, Kings Island, Walt Disney World, Universal, Orlando Studios, and a few others, Michigan's Adventure, and some others. But my question to you guys today is, in 6th grade, I rode what became my all-time favorite ride at Walt Disney World, and I want you guys to try to figure out what that is, and then I want you to tell me what is your all-time favorite. It could be ride, attraction, parade, fireworks show, whatever it may be, and what theme park that is. Have a tremendous rest of your day.